Hey guys, welcome back to some crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC, we're going to talk about Bitcoin on a 6 hour basis, and we're also going to take a look at Bitcoin on a 2 day basis and all that good stuff, right? So if you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Premium, you can also join the premium group through Discord and all that good stuff, guys. So now let's dive into the analysis, right? So we're gonna start off with the 6 hour basis and all that good stuff, right? On the 6 hour basis, what we said exactly, we're gonna be bullish just about like 31k exactly on average, right? And we're gonna be looking for another push to the upside up to basically 39 and a half or even 40k and so on, right? Or just the 6 hour 100 EMA, right? So that's exactly what we got right now. We pushed it upside, just by like Thursday, right? We pushed it upside up to like a 38 and a half, but I was like, okay, let's just wait and see, because we could potentially get another move to the downside down to like 50% to 0.618, right? So if you take a look at it right now, right, we dump exactly down to a 50%, right there, right here. If you take a look at it, that's exactly what we were expecting. We said keep an eye on the pullback down to potentially 34 and a half or just about 50% pullback, depending on where you got the rejection from, right? So we got the move double bottom right here and now pushing to the upside. Some bears are calling it a fake out, some bulls are calling it a real pump and all that good stuff. So let's see. Okay, I'm still bullish in this range, even though it is at resistance, right? In term of like a Fibonacci, we at resistance right here. Okay, just about like a 382 pullback, right there. So we back to resistance, right? So we're gonna talk about the resistance later on, but one thing we want to focus on is like a potential breakout above like a 40k. Is it gonna be easy? I don't think it is gonna be easy. I don't think it is going to be easy for the bulls to break like a 40k, because 40k could basically flip the the momentum, the entire momentum. So we will see over the next like a few hours or even few days what will happen, and we're just gonna stay bullish till we basically get a bearish setup. Okay, so another potential setup to keep an eye on is like in this range right here, we could potentially get a three-way move. Okay, we could get a three-way move just like that. It could be very slow. I don't know if you guys recall the move we got right here a couple weeks ago, like late May, when we talked about BTC making this move down. Okay, it did that exactly, and we said it could be overextended and drop all the way down to 0.618, and that's what happened exactly. It was overextended, dropped down to a 0.618, pushed back up, created a bearish, hidden bearish divergence, dropped down right here and created a bullish divergence right here, and we got this move now. So everything is playing out beautifully as expected, but just keep an eye on a potential move down to like a 34 and a half right here. Okay, so that could just replicate the move we got right there. Okay, right here. Okay, not sure if it is going to dump down afterward if we drop down to like a 34 and a half, but something like just something to keep in mind, since like we've been bullish right here. We just have to stay cautious, above like above like 34 and a half and all that good stuff, right? So now let's take a look at BTC on a 2 day basis. On a 2 day basis, what we said was like, we're going to be looking for our MACD to flip positive right here, and we got the bullish crossover. We've been talking about it since like BTC was right there, right? We said, if we dump down here, push back up, our MACD could at some point flip positive, and that could be a a good sign. It doesn't mean like a strong reversal pattern, but it is something like to keep in mind, because if price action breaks above like the 21 EMA, MACD is positive, we tend to basically get what, a strong bullish momentum, right? Something to just keep in mind. So next thing to do is like just get price action to basically push above the 21 EMA, which is just about like a 42k. So 42k could potentially give bulls like more confidence, and they're going to be looking for potentially high prices once we get get once we get above like a 42 or high and all that good stuff, right? But as of now, just keep an eye on the 39.2 resistance, and just about like a 34 and a half support right here on the today on the low degree, 34 and a half, and basically upside resistance going to be just about like a 42 and so on right here, 42 to 44 temporarily, right? So that's all I wanted to cover for today, guys. If you're new to our content, don't forget to hit the likes, don't forget to join the public Telegram group, link in the description, and if you're looking to join the premium group, link in the description and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, thanks a lot.